Buenas tardes y bienvenidos a otra. Oops, no, sorry, that's the wrong language. Welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Welcome everybody to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are again on Condado de Alhama. We are in Garden 13, and qualityhomescostacalida.com will present you today a corner unit, 2-bed, 1-bathroom here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in Garden 13. I'm just showing you the views. You know me, many times I start my virtual tours with the views because I think it's something important because it's all about location. So, we are on Garden 13 today, one of the most attractive and sought-after gardens on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort due to its proximity to the Kasar commercial center. It's a nice, well-appointed garden with obviously swimming pool, with playground, and with the garden setup, not to say the park setup, which we just see over here on our little video. Okay, enough said. Let me show you now this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Garden 13, which is a corner unit. And let's go inside and see what's going on here. Well, I'm showing you now the living room of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. We are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And today I'm showing you a corner unit. And we're just strolling through the living room and kitchen area. As you can see, it's quite a large living area, as most of them or all of them on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And this is the kitchen, which is fully fitted and also equipped with fridge freezer, as well as dishwasher, as well as washing machine. In addition, we have, as always, a sink here, but as a very special feature, and avid viewers of my video shows know already what's going on now, we have again a water filter, which is quite a useful thing, which provides perfect drinking water and saves you time, money, and also loads of plastic rubbish, because we don't need any more of these plastic bottles for the drinking water. Anyway, the water on Condado de Alhama is perfectly drinkable. It's just, especially in summer, it might get a certain chlorine taste, which is just down to the fact that the water is coming from the north, so it needs to be chlorined, otherwise it might not reach us in drinkable condition. So hence, we're putting in these water filters. We have them everywhere, in the office, in all our apartments, in our house. You name it, we have it. There's always a drink water filter. As well, something special in this property is a gas hob. So instead of the normal electric ones, we have here gas, which for some people say it's much better to cook than with electric. Okay, having said that, just let me show you again the living room of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. All what we see comes included in the asking price of $69,900, and as always, sensible offers are welcome. Apart from the living room, obviously this property has as well 2 well-appointed bedrooms. And let me show you now the master bedroom. Here we go, with the master bedroom. Furnished, as you can see, the property is sold as seen. Bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes, as we can see here, as well as with air conditioning. Rooms are well appointed. And just let me show you the inside of the fitted wardrobe so you can see. So we have a chest of drawer here, as well as a rail and a top shelf for additional storage. As well, the room is equipped with a ceiling fan. Not to say, we have also fantastic views here. Depending on the gardeners, they are cutting back the trees. Again, we would overlook here the golf course. So, just that you know, windows are fitted with mosquito netting in all doors and windows, which is quite useful because the flies twice a year can be pretty annoying. Having seen the master bedroom, we're following to the second bedroom, as well fitted with air conditioning, as we see up here. In this case, it has only 1 bed with a tunnel bed underneath, so it's actually 2 beds. Again, maybe we see it a little bit better here, the views onto the golf course. Maybe behind there you can see it, I hope. Picture has frozen. Oops, I hope not. Let me see. Okay, another fitted wardrobe in the second bedroom, no doubt about. And we continue to the bathroom. As it's a corner unit, this bathroom as well has an additional window, which is quite a useful thing, as we all know, as it provides natural light and might also help sometimes to get rid of humidity from showering, for example. We're coming back to the living room. Just let me show you. I'm just turning around slowly so you can see as well the dimension of this room, which has the kitchen integrated. There we go. So, and obviously the views here are really breathtaking. I love the palm tree here in front. The palm tree as well, which we can see, is also providing a little bit of privacy for the terrace down here. And as you know, there is a rooftop terrace as well, which provides quite some space, and we are now just going up there. I hope that the connection works up there, so fingers crossed you will have a constant picture, otherwise Facebook will tell me that we are not connected anymore. So let's see. We're just walking up to the roof terrace. The roof terrace itself is of the same size as the apartment, so it's about 55 square meters. We have a nice dining area up here. As you can see, barbecues and lounges, you name it, we have it. Here we go. And most important, the views. Up here we're pretty private because we don't have any neighbors on this side. And as you can see, we're overlooking the golf course. Isn't this amazing? So having a golf course view. Up here having already the dining table set up. Over there you see the gas bottle for the kitchen use. And this is now the roof terrace. Views up here, breathtaking. As you can see, there is the community pool just straight on. And you see also garden 13. Today we have actually 28 degrees. It's a little bit windy, what makes it a little bit more bearable. We have been into the low 30s today, and in the weekend we're looking into the mid 30s. Weekend might be even hit 38 degrees. Let's see what's coming up. It's really gone summery now. So after a long spring period, we are now really into summer. The resort starts to fill up, and that's really good to see people again after over a year now, where we have been pretty alone over here. Now seems that the resort is picking up again. On our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do find this apartment under the reference number 3551. And the asking price is only 69,900, but as always, open to sensible offers. In case of interest, or in case of question, or whatever, just drop us a line at the bottom of the screen, and me and my team will be happy to answer your questions, and maybe as well to answer your offer, might be. As we said, reference 3551 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, where you find many interesting apartments on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort and other resorts. So it's always worthwhile checking out qualityhomescostacalida.com. You also can like us on Facebook, as well as you can like and share our weekly virtual open houses, as we do them every Thursday at 5 o'clock in English, at 5:30 in Spanish, and at 6 o'clock in German. We are back on the terrace of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. There's many special things, like the awning over here, for example, which is covering the small terrace here, as well as it's covering the entrance area. This provides that it's not getting that hot during the day, because we do get the sun here, as we are pretty much southeast facing. We do get the sun as of morning, well, until it's still sunny over here. So it's quite a nearly all day around sunny position. So you will be happy with the awning here, because this helps especially in summer to keep the dwelling more or less cool. Apart from that, obviously, we do have air conditioning in both bedrooms and also in the living room. So this means even when it's really getting hot into the 40s, you will be always able to cool down your apartment. On the other side, for winter stays, this is fantastic, because in winter we do need the sun in the living room, because it's heating up the room perfectly. So I think it's a very good location. The apartment is set up to move in. On the other side, it leaves enough space so you put your own stamp on it, to say. Okay, oops, just catch the door with my arms, or my elbow, better said. Yes, please.
But the orientation is bang on south and west.
Oops, so
it's not southeast. It's really, if you look, I checked it on the map
Uh-huh.
specifically. And it's really, this is really bang on west. That's why we're now getting all this sun here in the,
Okay.
as the sun is starting to set. I just wanted just a little detail.
Sometimes I'm really proud of my team because they definitely know more than me, and this is good, I think, because each of them has its own specialty. So in this case, Anna, our listing agent, points out very rightly that Rupert again maybe sometimes didn't do his homework properly. So as I've been told, it's south facing with a slight western aspect, so hence we do get the sun all day. Okay, got the message. Thank you ever so much. Well then, what else can we say? Just let me show you the apartment again. Sorry, Anna. Hello, hello. Here you see a team member of TaylorMade. Hello, hello. There we go. And let's turn around again. And we enter the apartment again. And just to show you quickly again, the living room situation here. As we said, 2 bed, 1 bathroom, reference 3551 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Kitchen fitted, as we said, and fully equipped as well with fridge, freezer, dishwasher, washing machine over there. Rupert, quick, quick, quick. There we go with the washing machine. Apart from that, we do have the water filter, most important. So we save plastic and we save money and we save effort as well. Kitchen, as we see, fully fitted, gas, electric oven, extractor fan, all mounted as it should be. We come to the master bedroom as well, fully fitted with air conditioning, with fitted wardrobe, with ceiling fans, or windows and doors with mosquito netting. Most important, there we go, air conditioning, shelving, and as well as a chest of drawer in the master bedroom. Let's move to the second bed, which is actually equipped with a 1 bed with a standard bed underneath. So it's actually 2 beds. As you can see as well, mosquito netting in there, as well as fitted wardrobes and air conditioned. I think these are quite some good features. It's a good start for an apartment on Condado. And the specialty as well is that it's a corner unit. So this really provides a certain additional comfort. And I think also price-wise, this should be taken into account value-wise when you make your offer. Think about it, it's a corner unit. We have sold here in entire gardens, and we know by experience that the corner units are always selling first. Why? Well, very simple. You're end of terrace to say, so at least on one side you don't have a neighbor. This provides quite some more privacy as when you would be between other apartments, where you have no window and neighbors on both sides. So in this case, with the corner unit, you have at least one side pretty private, as we can see here, because the neighbors are far away over there, and we are here at the end of the terrace. Happy days. Okay, so, voila. This was a beautiful 2 bed, 1 bathroom apartment, reference 3551 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price is only 69,900. And here we go with another happy owner at Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Yeah, there we go. So, sorry. Well, Anna, is there anything else to say?
Have we mentioned the pool?
We have mentioned the pool, yes.
Because it's a little bit hard to see from here, but I can just about
Exactly,
see it
because
because the palm trees, this is a really
it's-
nice position. What I love,
It's just
what
behind
I
there,
really
behind
love about this
the
apartment is that you can see everything. You've got really the best of Condado. You've got the beautiful lawns. You've got all the flower varieties. You've got the big mature olive trees. 3 palm trees for you personally on your terrace. You've got the playground, and behind you have the pool. So you've really got the whole stretch of everything
Exactly.
that we can offer. You're about maybe 1.5 minute walking away from the pool.
Yes, and as well, we're about 3 or 5 minutes walking away from the Kasar Commercial Center, which is more or less the town center for Condado de Alhama, where you find a spa supermarket, you find several restaurants like La Copa de la Cata, like Big Cheese, they will hopefully opening soon. Soon the Sky Bar will open again. Clover Bar is already open. Quality Homes Costa Calida as well is open already since 6 years on site. Oh, sorry, no, there's another one. There is Paco Molina's Furniture Shop, and not to forget Eden Hair and Beauty. There we go. So there's lots of things to explore also on the Alcazar, our town center here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Well, enough said.
You haven't said how many new businesses are coming. There are quite a few units on the Alcazar currently getting prepared for new businesses to move in.
Hi-ho.
So soon we'll be able to list a few more. Stay tuned.
Okay, so stay tuned. There will be more things soon on the Alcazar Commercial Center. So, anyway, thank you very much for joining me today again. Pleasure to have you again on board, and I'm looking forward to see you. And, well, you will rather see me, because I will hardly see you. Next week, Thursday, same time, same station. We don't know yet where we go, but stay tuned. Happy days. Thank you very much here from qualityhomescostacalida.com. Stay safe. Take care. God bless. Bye. Bye.
See you next time.